2023. What was the address again here?
Lammastie 4.
Yeah, Lammastie. Lammastie 4. Staircase B. I filmed the staircase A here before. This building dates back to 1973, but the elevators had already been replaced in the beginning of 1999 with Kone Novel Elements fixtures, but still very nice.
Yeah, if this were Kone before, I think these are even better, because I like Novel a bit more.
Yeah, but they should have the chime here.
Yeah.
The best is 4% in backgrounds. And also they're even more rare, not 1999.
Yeah.
Silver is 69718. It's here in Pähkinärinne, Hasselbacken, Vantaa, Helsinki, Sports Region, Uusimani and Finland, plus the Myrmäki, Myrvakka and Oila Klipsta. Button rear traction.
Yeah.
But unfortunately the fortigator had been broken, so they changed it.
Yeah.
The generic one.
Mm.
That generic one doesn't fit in there.
Yeah.
But still 2 rides.
Yeah.
Also, that last digit 9 is different, it's bolder. Same font but bolder.
Yeah.
And also here the handrail was changed.
Yeah. Spectate by device and maintained by Kone.
Going to be inspected this year in 2023. When the residential building is turning 50 years old, the demonstrations or replacements will be 25 years old in the next year, 2024. That many Kone Novel replacements from early 1999.
Yeah.
Like in Lammastie, there are a few more.
That's
it. Thank you.